Okay, so we've done the analysis now for the first two charts. Now, just to do a little bit of tidying up so that things fit on one page, go to Layout in your Word doc, go to Margins, and pick Narrow. This will move things over so you can start putting things closer to the margins, and this will make it easier to format your infographic. So arrange things however you like, really. Now the next thing that we need to do is analyze the histogram. So we're going to comment on the shape, calculate and mention the median, calculate and mention the mean, and see whether there are any outliers. All right, let's look at our histogram. Let's copy it, same thing that we did with the other ones, and paste it. Remember to change this to square so we can move it easier. I think it looks pretty good. Now we need to comment on the shape. Well, what shape does this look like, guys? Is it positively skewed, negatively skewed, or symmetrical? I hope you're all screaming positively skewed. And that's what we're going to write. Prices are positively skewed. All right. So we've mentioned the shape. Next thing we need to do is calculate and mention the median, calculate and mention the mean. Now, I'm going to show you a trick in Excel, which makes this really easy. Underneath your numbers, or next to the numbers, as long as it's a box that doesn't include the numbers, you want to write equals. This tells Excel that you're about to write a formula. And here you want to put average and then open a bracket. So average, notice I typed out average and then I opened a bracket. Once you've opened the bracket, then select all the numbers that you've got. Then you want to close the bracket, so just type this and you press enter. That is the mean. Next, we want to do median. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to write equals for a formula. We will just write median. Come up, remember, open a bracket again, select the same numbers, and this will tell Excel to calculate the median of that. Oh, look, it tells us the median number, the middle number is 700. So that's done. All right, so now we need to get the mean and median number. So it's medium, very common mistake, median, into our infographic. So we can write that the mean bike price is, look over here, 1,098 cents. So 1,098 cents. The median price is 700. Remember to include dollar signs if you're talking about money. Then we go back to our SAC and we notice the next question is, are there any outliers? If we look at this graph, there aren't any outliers. We can see all the data is sort of clumped together. If there was a gap where there was sort of no data here and then a number over here, then we would say there is an outlier. In this case, there isn't. So we'll mention there are no outliers in the price of bikes. Cool.